In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a test email in GoHighLevel. If you're new to GoHighLevel or just looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial is designed to guide you through the process step by step. Working with email campaigns can be daunting at first, but with practice, sending test emails is straightforward. First, you'll want to start by navigating to your GoHighLevel dashboard. Accessing this central hub is easy, and from here you can manage all aspects of your campaigns, client relations, and more. Once you're there, turn your attention to the left-hand menu and locate the Marketing tab. Clicking on Marketing seamlessly shifts your focus to the tools available for crafting and managing your email communications. With the marketing tools in view, your next destination is the Emails section. This area contains all your current campaigns, statistics, and templates you've been working on previously. Click on Emails to open up your library of email marketing resources. After entering the Emails section, you'll need to navigate over to Campaigns. Clicking on Campaigns will display all the campaigns you're actively working on, allowing you to easily manage and edit them as needed. Now within the campaign screen, you'll encounter a small but essential step. Clicking on the little X or close button. This action helps clear any preset filters or settings, giving you a fresh start within this environment. Once you've done this, you're set to create a new test email. To start drafting a new email, find and click on the New button. This button typically stands out, inviting you to start anew with a fresh email campaign. After you click New, you'll be ushered into the creation environment, which offers various templates or the option to begin with a blank canvas. When presented with options, choose Blank. This selection lets you design everything from scratch, providing full creative control over your test email's look and feel. Following your selection of the blank template, you're prompted to click on Select to confirm this choice and proceed. In this new blank canvas, you're free to start crafting your email's content. Now, if you wish to add an image to your email, which often enhances engagement and visual appeal, locate and click on the Image option within your editor. This will enable you to easily insert relevant visuals into your email. By following these steps, you'll have successfully started creating a test email campaign in GoHighLevel. Remember, the act of sending test emails ensures that both the design and functionality of your message are just right before going live to a wider audience. Regular testing will help gather insights and refine strategies for more effective email communications. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be navigating GoHighLevel's email tools like a pro.